Hey everyone, so I'm just going to do a little quick video on how to change the wafers or tumblers inside of a lock in an automotive application. So what I have here is a Honda lock from an early 2000s car, and what happened was the door was changed and they never changed the lock. So I have a key here that doesn't work with this, it doesn't work with the door. And interestingly enough, I happened to manage to find a matching lock that will work with the door, but this key doesn't match this lock. It doesn't work. You see, if I put this tumbler back in and I insert it into the lock, I try to use the key, it doesn't work. So I don't want to spend money on buying a key on a new lock, because this key that I have here works with the ignition. So, and I want to have a door that works. So what I did was I took all the tumblers out and I basically laid them all out and I began trying them one by one. And I know that, let me just take this one out here. This one right here. The reason why I was having an issue coming out is because these springs, these two tiny springs, actually go into these circle portions here. So what I did was I took all the tumblers out and I began trying them one by one. And I found that I laid them all out, mixed them all up, it didn't matter, and I put the first one in and I put my key in, and I found that, as you can see, they are flush and they work. Now I can use this lock. Well, that was a fail. Hold on. There we go. There we go. So basically, I took all the tumblers out and I randomized them, and then I immediately started replacing them. So I put this one over here. You'll see that it's sticking out right here. So if I put it in the lock, let's see if it'll work. Sorry, excuse me. It's sticking up right here. So this tumbler doesn't work in that spot. So if I take it out and I move it next door, and I take this one, which I know works, and I put it back in its spot, which is right here. There we go. Take this lock. Just take the key out. One second. This spring here is coming apart. He's not cooperating with me. Why aren't you cooperating? Because I know it works. There we go. And there we go. So now basically what I have is I have a key that is missing two tumblers, but it'll work on my door. So all I have to do is install this on the end and install it in the car, and it'll work. Minus the two tumblers. Is it a good solution? Well, it'll work. I mean, it's not ideal. I mean, obviously I've lost some of the security of the lock because I'm missing two tumblers, but I have a perfectly working key now. And all I had to do was spin the tumblers, mix up the tumblers, and try them one by one, and place the lock inside, make sure it turned, randomize, pick another one, put it in, and I have a working lock that I can now install in the car. Thanks for watching.